house perched atop a verdant knoll resides a family, their story an epic scroll. With the dawn's first light, they rise to greet the day. Mama, Papa, and the children in their own unique way. Their home is a sanctuary filled with laughter and cheer, a haven where love flows abundantly year after year. They share meals and memories around the table they gather, each moment a treasure, every bond a tether. When the winds of change blow and challenges arise, in their tight-knit circle they find strength to surmise. With words of encouragement and arms open wide, they face the storms together side by side. From the eldest to the youngest, each one has a part in this tapestry of love, stitched with care from the heart. They learn, they grow, they stumble and rise, for in their families embrace every soul truly thrives. Family, oh family, a symphony of souls. Together they journey towards infinite goals, with resilience and hope hand in hand. They are family, a united band, and it band. Through seasons of joy and seasons of sorrow, in their shared moments there's always tomorrow. They cherish the present, honor the past, for their love knows no bounds, it forever will last. Family, oh family, a beacon in the night, guiding each other with love's radiant light. With courage and faith, hand in hand, they are family, steadfast land. Yes, family, the greatest treasure of all. In their embrace, they stand proud and tall, with gratitude and grace forever hand in hand. They are a family, an eternal strand.